Brad Smith here with Brad Smith Real Estate and Simpli Hom Appalachia. Today I'm here in Stanton, Kentucky at the River Outpost, and I just wanted to tell you guys about our event that's coming up in just under 2 weeks, Mission in Motion 5K. It's a run walk, and the proceeds are going to go to a great organization, Restoring Faith Corporation, in which they help families adopt. This is going to be a great event, guys, something for the community of all ages. We're going to have a kids dash, we're going to have inflatables, we're going to have vendors set up here. We're going to have tours of this great facility that they have here at the Outpost. And even if you don't want to participate in the 5K, just come out and hang out, and we would accept all donations for a great cause. Let me tell you guys about these great organizations. All right, guys, so here's my good friend Narlin. He's going to tell you what these guys are up to here at the Outpost.
Yeah, Brad, we are a nonprofit organization that's laser focused on reaching our locals. We recognize that there's so many people that are suffering from mental and physical diseases, diabetes, hypertension, heart disease, cancer. Many are also suffering from depression, anxiety, chronic stress, and various things of that nature. So what we do is we specialize on people that are in need of natural healing. We have a residential program, so we take people in from 7, 10, 14, and 21 days. And when they come here on campus, we take care of them full time and bring them back to full healing, both mentally, physically, and also spiritually. That's our focus.
That's great, Narlin. And what can people expect when they come here for the event? What's something that they could do to see more about what you guys do?
Well, we're going to give a full tour to give a rundown of our program, how things work. We're going to have some refreshments, smoothies, and various things of that nature. And as we give the campus tour, we'll also share with them the minute details of how the program works. We could share powerful testimonies of people that have been here and have seen their health fully restored.
All right, guys, and here I am with Brooks Harrison and his nonprofit organization, Restoring Faith Corporation. He's going to tell you guys a little bit about what they do and how you guys can help out.
Thanks, Brad. I'm so honored to be here and team up with these guys. So the main mission of our nonprofit is to help fundraise and help Christian families on their journey to adoption. One of the biggest barriers for adoption is the financial barrier, unfortunately, and that can go up to $50,000 to $60,000 depending on which way which process they take and which journey they go on. So we don't really think financial should be a reason for a family not to adopt. So that's what we're here for. One thing we always say is if a lot of people give a little, it goes a long way. So that's kind of our secret motto, not secret, but kind of our fun motto, and it's kind of what we go by. So,
all right, guys, you just heard from these great organizations about what they're doing and what their purpose is, and I'm just so glad to be teaming up with them for this event. We're just under 2 weeks away, so sign up and come out and support these great causes, guys, and you better get in shape because you don't have long.